Yes, sir. Sir, can you see the screen? The screen is visible.
Yes, it is
Yes,
visible.
yes.
You just put it on the full screen mode.
Huh. So, sir, we have two members. One is I, and other one is Saurabh Gupta. So, our problem statement is that, sir, as in many new students take admission and face many problems related to their related to their accommodation. Then how they first do not get their home, because this is the most necessary. Accommodation is the most necessary. So so there are many fourth year student, also third year student also, who wants to sell their product to new student who take admission to their colleges. So we found, so we are doing the our venture on that only. So what actually we are doing, so we are just making a connection, we are just making a setup between the one who is the new member, or who is the new student who joined that colleges or somewhere, who wants to purchase
Kumar,
something.
Kumar, just
Sir.
one minute. Can you put your presentation on slideshow now?
Sir, uh, wait, sir.
Just do the slideshow mode.
Sir, hello.
No. Yeah,
So what you want to?
yeah, presentation mode because we are not able to see clearly what is doing.
mm,
You're sharing from laptop now.
No, sir, I am sitting from laptop only, sir.
Then press F5 keys.
Sir, I am sitting directly. Wait, sir.
Kresika, do you have presentation?
Yeah, I have. I'll just share it.
Yeah, yeah, share it. Yes, I can see.
So now you are seeing the presentation. Now it is okay, sir.
No. Yeah, yes. Kumar, first.
Vaibhav, I'll share. You just unshare your screen.
Okay.
Pepper, just one minute. Jessica ma'am actually sharing the screen. Yeah, please go ahead. Pepper.
Yeah.
Is it visible?
Yes, it
Yes,
is
yes,
visible.
absolutely.
Yes.
Guys, whom we are waiting for, can you start? Hello.
Kumar, can you hear us?
Yes, sir. Hello,
Please start
sir.
then.
Sir, is that okay? Sir, you can see the screen.
Yeah, yeah, we can see the
Yes,
screen.
I can see the screen.
So we come up with an idea to connect between senior and fresher in one platform, sir. Actually, there are many website available, many portal available from where the student can directly purchase their equipments, but they have to search more on that platform. So we have only one platform for every product that an engineer needs to be in from first year to final year in their time. So what actually we are doing, sir, if someone wants to purchase, if someone wants to sell their book of first year, so they directly come with, so they directly um, um, post their post some post there what we can say post on that platform, and someone who wants to purchase that, they will get the notification already from that post. And if they want to purchase that, they directly contact to that seller or buyer, and they can purchase the books according to that, according to their rates. So ma'am, can you please change the slide also, because I am not able to change the slide. So,
Which slide do you want?
ma'am, next slide, ma'am.
I'm currently on
Hello.
customer persona.
हाँ ma'am, these are the
Hello.
student. These are the for first fresher student whom I take the
Hello.
interview. So they faces the same problem, ma'am. They have come from the different places, and these are the new area. They do not have knowledge about their what, from where they have to go to purchase the products like books, then beds, fans, yes, tables. So these are the problem they faces. Very so. Can you sense?
Hello.
So the hello.
However,
हाँ sir.
can you hear me?
Yes sir. Yes sir.
No, I'm Saurabh.
अच्छा, yes sir.
Yeah. So this is the value proportion canvas, and as we can see that our platform is easy to adapt, and you can also purchase just by one click, and it is very user friendly also, and there is no complaint regarding this. It is very reliable and easy interaction and easy to use for the customer. Can you please change the slide? So we have our business model and lean canvas here. So there is many problems that new student face when they want to buy the equipment regarding to college. So we have a problem solution and unique feature that one click purchase can be done. So it is very user friendly for the customer, that is the students of fresher second year or third year. Ma'am, slide change. Yeah, so they are very competition among our platform also. So one of these is Amazon and Flipkart. They both offer second-hand books and free delivery, but we are enhancing their services to our services by providing a more user-friendly dashboard and renting second-hand book services or purchasing and hassle-free services, contactless delivery. Now you know that coronavirus has been entered our world, so it is very important contactless delivery, and it is very user-friendly platform. So there is no need to worry for the new users to. And please change the slides. Uh, Vaibhav? Vaibhav?
Yes, go on, please. Carry on.
Sir, okay, sir. So, sir, solution to the demo is that we create a user-friendly dashboard in which the uh, renting and second-hand services are available, and plus feature which includes the furnishing also. Like for first year, they required bed or table or etc. for their room accommodation. So we provide that too in our platform, and we have created 2 or 3 prototype, but we have included only one in this demo solution. So ma'am, please can you change the slide?
Hello,
Yeah,
am I
so
audible?
here is the demo. Yeah, well,
Am I audible? Hello.
yes,
Hi.
yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This is a prototype of our website, so where student can directly rent or buy some books. They can share their furniture or music equipment. If they want to sell used book, they can sell that from clicking that link, and they can upload that book also. Second hand book, sir. Because sir, in our MIT college, sir, people have to go to ABC Chowk or Visrantwari to purchase the book. So these are very difficult for them. For a new for a freshers, these are very difficult for them, because they do not know the routes of where to go from. So that's also for taking that point only, sir. We are going to this we are going to showcase this showcase this as our venture, sir. So if someone cannot find the book, they can also upload their what kind of book they want to purchase, or what kind of what kind of equipment they want to purchase. They can mail us, so that we can make available to them. So many electronic student wants the electronics equipment, Arduino, such as Arduino, then motherboard. So they can directly update their list, what they want to purchase, so that our our customer or our seller directly saw that post, and they directly contact to the customer who wants to buy those projects. So these are the uh, solution we
Features.
wanted to prepare for our venture, ma'am. So channels to be used, ma'am, we can use directly to social media platform is one of the best digital platform for promoting our small chain business, like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter also. Then we have our college also promoted a call poll. In call poll, we can update our uh, venture. We can update our venture there also. So among this, the total cost of promoting, advertising, and all, we cost 30K, and the product price that are going to be is 40K, in which all kind of from newly to old, it cost around 40K, such as okay. So funding sources will be the M Pocket, then Crazy. So we have contacted them, so they funded about, so they tell that they fund more than 40K. So we can target more than 100 units sold for 1 month. Then revenue will be 18K, profit will be 6K, and the break even means, ma'am, we are the 4 member initially, but 2 members left us, so now we have only 2 members, so that break even will be 3K between us. So payback period will be 7 months. These are the financial performance for our venture. So, ma'am, summarization means, ma'am, can this be a real venture? Of course, ma'am, this can be a real venture, of course, sir. Because, ma'am, as we know that Amazon and Flipkart are the leading online platform for India as well as world. But they are in that platform many things available, from books to from television. All the equipments are available there, all the products are available there. They are not, they are focusing on everything. So what we are doing, we are actually focusing on taking a background of only of engineering student. So what we are doing, we are only focusing what actually an engineering student needs to be fulfill their first. An engineering student needs to be from first year to final year, and those products will be showcased on our platform. And if from first year notes to final year notes project, then someone wants to sell their bike, they can also do that. Someone wants to sell their bed, or something they want to sell in which are costing more than 5K, they can also sell their things on that platform also. So did you make any money? Ma'am, initially the margin of profit is very less because, ma'am, as COVID-19 is there, we cannot fulfill most of the points to our play. We cannot. So these are the problem I faces during our venture startup. Ma'am, do you plan to take this PV forward? How yes? Yes, ma'am. We would like to promote this service to many different. Ma'am, ma'am, we are focusing on only on our college also, not in Pune. We are targeting to some colleges, like MIT college, then DY Patil Pimpri. We are starting this venture to a particular, taking only 2 to 3 colleges in Pune. Then we will go on vast. Then we will go on further colleges, because there are many, there are approx 30 to 50,000 students taking admission in each college as a first year or second year colleges. So targeting on those colleges, 2 to 3 colleges, we are. So at, hello,
Sure.
ma'am.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Yes, sir.
So have you done
uh,
any book exchanges so far offline?
Sir, actually, sir, when we have colleges, sir, one customer sell their books. That is, he is from final year student, and he sell that product to first second year student. Rahul Agarwal is final year student, and
So what
second year.
was your role in that transaction?
So in that time, sir, uh, so it is a mutual savings, sir. We have not created a, we have not created a website so far. We have only done the prototyping. So what
नहीं
actually,
नहीं,
sir?
I
हाँ
got a point. I'm not asking that.
yes,
वो
हाँ सर,
ट्रांजेक्शन होने में आपका क्या रोल था? आपने कनेक्ट कराया था उनको, आपने
हाँ
दोनों
सर,
को
Yes, sir. We
हाँ हाँ
connected.
सर, हम लोगों ने
We were
कनेक्ट
the
कराया था
medium
वो
through.
दोनों, मीडियम थ्रू विच दे
Sure.
दे
Okay.
यस
So
सर.
going forward, once platform is ready, I see some demo look good to me.
हाँ
How will you get revenue out of this?
सर, revenue, sir, from initial, as we know, sir, revenue will be very less, because for starting a business, revenue margin need not to be fulfilled to our what we thought that this will be the revenue. So actually we are taking very less charges. Initially we are taking very less charges for delivering their products. If someone wants,
Yeah, I got a point, but
uh,
that's what I'm asking. Whom you will be
uh,
charging?
so we will taking the commission from both the side, from buyer also, from the one who sells the product and the one who purchase their
How
product.
much?
Because
How much?
sir,
So
if someone
5%.
say, if you want to sell some, it depends on the, sir, what you want to sell. If you want to sell the books, the margin will be very less. If you want to sell the furniture, the margin will be more higher than the books or whatever. If you sell the bike, old bike, second hand bike, then the margin will be much higher than the furniture as well, sir. These are the
Can I propose something here? I mean,
yes sir, yes sir, yes sir, you can.
instead of making full-fledged website,
हाँ
आप ऑनलाइन एक गूगल स्प्रेडशीट बनाओ और
हाँ
स्प्रेडशीट में सारा आइटम लिस्ट कर दो. फॉर एग्जांपल उनको फर्नीचर सेल करना है, उसका क्या प्राइस है, कितना पुराना है, और उसको रेफरेंस इमेज का लिंक दे दो वहां से गूगल में. तो अगर आई कैन सिंपली ओपन दैट गूगल स्प्रेडशीट एंड आई कैन कॉल दैट पर्सन, राइट?
यस सर. तो उसके सर वो स्प्रेडशीट पे सारे डिटेल्स तो वो शेयर हो जाएंगे, तो एक पार्टिकुलर स्टूडेंट को ही नहीं, जितने लोग उस स्प्रेडशीट पे क्लिक करेंगे तो वो तो वो सर वो प्राइवेटली पब्लिकली हो जाएंगे ना.
हाँ, बट अल्टीमेटली
डेटा
यू
डेटा
कैन डू द
हाँ
डेमो, राइट? आपको
हाँ
लोग डेटा तो आ जाएगा ना आपके पास पहले,
हाँ
क्योंकि
डेटा
आप
हाँ
हाँ sir.
करोगे तो डेटा कैसे लाओगे? दैट्स द वे दैट यू कैन गेट अ क्राउड ऑन योर प्लेटफॉर्म.
हाँ यस सर.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
यस
Anything
सर,
from Subho, Hemang?
यस मैम.
I think it's a very nice concept. So if I ask आप लोगों को आगे क्या steps करने चाहिए, अगर आप इसको आगे ले जाना चाहते हो तो आप क्या क्या करना चाहोगे? आप एप्लीकेशन बनाना चाहोगे, आप पुणे में एक्सप्लोर करना चाहोगे, बिजनेस मॉडल पे कुछ इम्प्रूवमेंट्स करना चाहोगे? What would you like to do?
सर
सर
जैसे कि सर हाँ बोलो बोलो
इनिशियली तो
बोलो
अभी
सर।
हाँ सर
हेलो
सर इनिशियली तो अभी हम लोग का प्रोटोटाइपिंग वगैरह तैयार है एंड नेक्स्ट स्टेप तो हम लोग का वेबसाइट क्रिएट। हेलो हाँ कैन यू हियर मी?
यस मैम कैरी ऑन।
Yes, we can.
या सो नेक्स्ट हमारा रहेगा कि हम वेबसाइट बनाने के बाद जावा स्क्रिप्ट वी नो सो जावा स्क्रिप्ट यूज करके करेंगे तो क्या एप्लीकेशन मोबाइल के लिए भी बन जाता है मतलब एंड वो भी मतलब नेट का ही रहता है तो सेम मतलब टाइम पे ऑनलाइन साइट भी रहेगा एंड मोबाइल एप्लीकेशन भी रहेगा जावा स्क्रिप्ट यूज करके एंड ये हमारा इनिशियल स्टेप्स रहेगा एंड स्टार्टिंग के लिए तो हम फिलहाल पुणे का ही रहेगा 2-3 कॉलेज रहेंगे हमारे जैसे
कॉलेज
कि
में ही रहेंगे
वैभव ने
सर।
बताया
हाँ
कि एमआईटी हो गया एंड
डीवाई पाटिल
सो
सर जो
स्टार्टिंग के इनिशियल
रिलेटेड टू
फेज का
आवर।
तो यहाँ
हाँ
से हाँ
Okay. And अभी फॉर एग्जाम्पल 100 रुपीज का बुक आप सेल होता है तो आप
हाँ
उस पे कितना पैसा कमाते हो ऑन
सब
एन
वन
एवरेज?
सब 100 की बुक सेल होगी तो वी विल मेक अ प्रॉफिट ऑफ 10 रुपीज और 15 रुपीज सर।
10 to
नॉट
15
मोर।
rupees.
हाँ
Okay.
नॉट मोर देन बिकॉज सर हाँ सर
जब बोथ साइड
बिकॉज
से अगर हम रेवेन्यू लेंगे तो
बुक्स से तो सर उतनी होती सर अगर पर्टिकुलर इफ समवन वांट्स टू सेल मोर देन books which cost more than 2k or 3k then the price we will get is like 200 or 300. If someone wants to sell the product with less than 500k or 100 then the price revenue मतलब profit will be so very less because we are not charging more than so what actually we will make also that more if someone wants to sell their product with less than 100 rupees or 500 rupees they will deliver their product through themselves only. No one from our side will come and sell their matlab they will deliver. If someone wants to deliver the products that cost more than 500 or more than 1k then our partner our delivery matlab someone will assign to them and they will do the delivery or something like that sir. So these are the plan we thought sir but actually due to COVID-19 sir we are also just
Okay, okay. नहीं नहीं, it
we
is
are
very
not
nice. आप
contacting.
लोग, this is very nice idea.
Yes
Also,
sir.
आप लोगों की टीम में अभी 2 लोग हैं. So,
हाँ sir.
what skill set अगर आप ऐसा सोचते हो कि
यस
हमें और लोग चाहिए, तो ऐसे कोई है फ्रेंड्स वगैरह या कोई प्रोफेशनल जिस जो आप लेना चाहोगे आपके साथ इस वेंचर में?
सर वेंचर्स सर एक्चुअली मेरा एक फ्रेंड है जो कि एक्चुअली वी आर फ्रॉम फाइनल ईयर स्टूडेंट ओनली तो मैंने उनसे बात किया था एक मेरे मतलब friend, तो उन्होंने भी बोला था उसने भी बोला था कि मतलब
सर
अच्छा आइडिया है
मार्केटिंग के लिए
तो
ऑफ कोर्स
वो
लेना
मार्केट
चाहेंगे लाइक मार्केटिंग स्किल्स तो ऑब्वियसली
बिकॉज सर उसका ऑलरेडी का बिजनेस मतलब उसके होम बिजनेस है तो सो वो बताया था
Okay.
कि वी कैन
आई वुड
वी
सजेस्ट
कैन
कि अभी आप ये सोशल मीडिया का अगर प्लेटफॉर्म यूज करते हो
हाँ
ज्यादातर तो आपको अभी भी काफी बेनिफिट हो सकता है. लाइक पैरेलल प्रोसेस में अगर आप काम करो
यस
तो
हाँ हाँ
you will be more benefited from social media because all the students are on social media. Okay, you can create a page
यस
and then market it more in your groups वगैरह तो
हम्म,
it will reach out to
यस
more people. So meanwhile जब ऐप बनेगा तब तक आपका अच्छा खासा मार्केटिंग हो गया होगा एंड उसके बाद
यस
अगर आप
सर
अच्छा बिजनेस मॉडल लेके आते हो तो दिस वेंचर एक्चुअली कैन गो इन अ गुड डायरेक्शन एंड
yes sir.
डेफिनेटली आप अपने कॉलेज में एंड ये लाइक स्वरूप इज देयर आल्सो इन फ्रॉम वाधवानी सो दिस पीपल डेफिनेटली कैन हेल्प यू टू टेक दिस फॉरवर्ड बट आई लाइक द कॉन्सेप्ट.
Thank you so much, sir. So,
थैंक यू
So
सर
yes,
thank you. Yeah.
yes, sir. Anything more, sir? You want to tell me or tell us?
No, that's all from
No, I
my
think
side actually. Thank
this
you.
is good.
Thank you, guys.
Thank
थैंक
you
यू
so much, sir, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. So we can cancel the meeting.
Okay,
Yes, we can
Meeting
so
is
leave the
done.
Gaurav,
conversation.
ओके
conversation.
सर
Thank
थैंक
you.
यू हैव अ नाइस डे
Have a nice day, sir. Thank you so much.
Hemang,
Yeah.
Tukaram, Subho, can we score for this one?
Yes, I'm doing that.
Gaurav, are you there? The next group, Gaurav Vas.
Hello, sir. Am I audible?